We are in a golf course somewhere in Canada, Saskatchewan. Okay, we trying to hit the ball because that's the last time is by since last 1990s started hitting the ball in the golf range, all golf range with my close friend Joel in the Philippines. So I try to hit the ball if I remember how to hit the ball since how many years, maybe 30 decade until now. Almost 30 years like that. So we are here now at the golf range. So we try to do some other activities for a change. It's not for only a vlog. It's only for I'm bored. Okay. If you bored, you do something in your life. As long as you're happy and contented, uh, that's only you can do in your life until you're still alive. Yeah, do something about your life. Not bored, not stressed, happy. Make some journey or adventure or any you can do in your life yourself, as long you're not doing bad habits like drugs, drinking, smoking, gambling. That's it, etc., etc. Okay, so we are here now at the golf range. Okay, I want to pick up my stops. Just a 30 ball, that's net. So that place is going in the house. That upstairs in after the post. That's the side downtown village. Okay. Let's inquire first. Okay, for sure. Let's inquire first. Look at first before do something decision. So let's see what's inside the caddy. See where it came from, the entrance. Concession shaded riverside camping. Okay, it's a store, mini golf. Game changing. Bet your way with Betway. So that is the surrounding area. Okay, just practice only. Okay, it. Let's see. Hi. So we're gonna pay now. The balls there. So how much? $6. $6.
This is a large one. It's $7.
What's about the $6? How much? How many pieces this?
About 60.
60 hit.
Yeah. That's about 40, and it is $6 plus tax.
Maybe for now, because it's raining.
Now our.
Oh, okay. I will try.
Down.
Because this is last time again, okay? First time again try. Okay, David, darling. Until 9, right?
Until 9?
Okay, until 9 p.m.
Right at the top there.
So that is the driving range, right?
Yeah, where the birds
There's a
are.
plug, okay. That's it?
Yep.
Print, huh? Okay. That's you. Is that you, Hannah?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
One thing he does really well is
It's cheap.
keep the ball out of the
60 balls. 60 balls. Okay. Going back to take my okay. That's inside. I'm training alone. That's good. No one is here. So it's fun, right? It's different word, different fun. That's it. And flat. Okay. See the 60 balls. Okay. The 60 balls. It's coffee and juice. Okay. Just in case you're thirsty. Just in case you are thirsty, your drinks. Okay. Relax. That's the most important. That's the most important. You are happy. Until 9 o'clock p.m. it's open. Okay. So this is the share, this is the location, and this is the place. Okay. It's windy a little bit, cold, cloudy. So we're here in the grass now. Okay, it's a nice place. Even I cannot hit one ball today. I'm sure 100% I'm going back here. Let's see. There's a table. There's a how to hit the ball with your own sake. Okay. So how many yards? How long you hit the ball? It's fun, eh? It's fun. It's a Canadian style, okay? So there's a stand of your okay. So that's it, the ball. Your stand, your drinks, the keys, everything. Okay, just put it here. It's a little bit raining, so that's a possible raining now. Okay, that's the most important even you are alone. So this is the hitting ground. Okay, ready our tripod. Okay. Okay guys, this is the place. Okay, the surrounding area from the cafeteria. See, that's the cafeteria now from here. Okay guys, so we want to start now to hitting the ball. Okay, that's the best we can do. I hit so many people. So this is our hitting the ball, and this is the ball. Okay. As you can see, my balls and my tools. Okay, so for now we start to hitting the ball. These are my accessories. See, all the complete accessories to hitting the ball. You need to complete this. So if you have like this, you can play by tournament or practice with your friends, relatives. Okay, so for now we will not use that, only this and that. Okay, we have some tools here. Okay, you need this every time you hit the ball. It's a gold teeth, it's a wood. May pocket, may yes, this extra ball just in case, with the sunglasses, skincare for your mosquitoes. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, no time limit, that's the most important, so you can enjoy a little by little. Okay, you have off limits for the mosquitoes and sport performance lotion if you're sensitive skin. Okay, we can start now. There's the ball. Okay,